Hi, welcome back to another video, another gel polish set today. So I'm going to stick with my tips today. We're ditching the hand and we're going for the tips. So I've given these a buff off and I'm just applying some base coat. That'll get cured for 30 seconds and they are going to have Perfect White on from Madam Glam. This cures for 30 seconds in my lamp, so I'll show you the first coat. I'll do the second coat off camera. Okie dokie. I've got this little dish out with a pad on it and I've put some water on there, and then I've pulled out some decals that I bought a while ago from Print by Example. So they're all unicorns and flowers and they're like rainbow colours. So I thought I would do a set with these. Going to leave those on there for about 30 seconds or so. I have sprayed the top as well with some water, what you've just seen me do, and they slide off really easily. So the middle one is going to have that flare at the top. I was unsure whether to put that big flare on or not, but I do in the end. So either side of that middle one we are going to put the unicorn heads. I'm just giving them a little dab off on that paper. So these are actually going straight onto the tacky layer. They're quite easy enough to pull back off and reposition if you need to, as long as you're careful. I'm sorry, I'm slightly out of shot. I had to sort of do it on the stand, so I got them sort of the same level. I didn't want them to look odd. So I do go out of shot slightly. That's the trouble when the camera's right in front of your head. You can't get right over the top of the tips to see. And then I've cut out these other small little set of leaves and they're going to go across the top of the exterior fingers, so the pinky and the thumb. This is a really easy set today. It didn't take long to do at all. Quite achievable by anybody. So sorry, noisy motorbike. So, and then I was debating whether to use that one, and I did in the end. I was like, do I use it? No, yes, no, and I did. So that one went on, but I had to cut, there's a little mark on the top of it, so I'll cut that off, and then I'm just going to cut the side and the bottom so it fits a little bit more flush. Then they're going to get top coated and they're going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'll just let you watch that bit. And then the final thing to do is to put some gems on the two exterior nails. So even though you can only see sort of 3 or 4 lots of gems there, I had loads out on the desk. You wouldn't believe how many I had out. So I've done a bit of a mixture of colours. Yeah, some of them are glass, some of them are plastic. So I've done a bit of a mix. And then I went all out on the caviar beads. So that will be the end of the set after that. I hope you liked them. I will leave my Madam Glam discount as usual on the screen, and it's in my description box with a link. I will leave you to watch the rest, and I will pop some music on so you've got a bit of peace and quiet instead of me droning on, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I know life ain't always fair. I still feel I miss you as I need you. I want you. Good night. Good night.